started.
So where are we, Anna?
We are in Incheon International Airport.
Okay. Why are we here?
For a wedding.
Whose wedding?
Seg and Senna.
How was the wedding?
Beautiful.
Did you get a chance to see the city?
I did.
What did you think of the city?
It is big.
Big.
Big, very, very big.
Why are you talking like that?
Because Ian wants to go shopping and I went to hang out. So he said if you would hang out with me, I had to talk like Kermit the Frog
Okay.
for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Kermit the Frog here.
Tell me some Korean you know.
감사합니다. 안녕하세요.
That wasn't in the current.
안녕하세요.
What was the first one?
감사합니다. It's only been 1 minute.